Today, I'll share with you how to make an effective dark circle cream at home with natural ingredients. One tips will be given at the end of the video. So let's get started. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce puffiness and dark circle around the eyes. 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil contains fatty acid that can help moisturize the skin and reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Half teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is an antioxidant that can help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals and also help moisturize the skin and reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric contains curcumin, which is a natural anti-inflammatory agent that can help reduce fluffiness and dark circle around the eyes. Half teaspoon of lemon juice. Lemon juice is a natural astringent that can help lighten dark circle and improve skin tone. Instruction: mix the aloe vera gel, coconut oil, vitamin E oil, turmeric powder, and lemon juice in a small bowl until well combined. Cleanse your face and pat dry. Gently apply the cream to the under eye area, being careful not to get any in your eyes. Leave the cream on for over the night. Repeat the process daily for best results. It's always recommended to do a pest test before using any homemade product to check for any skin irritations or allergies. Now it's time to give tips. You can use Vaseline instead of coconut oil because Vaseline is very effective in reducing eye wrinkles. Never use Vaseline during the day, only at night. Also, please ensure that the ingredients you are using are fresh and not expired. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get more natural skincare videos like these.